Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today we are going to learn how to say let's do something or let's not do something. And today's video is very important because we want to encourage people to do things. Sometimes we have ideas and we want them to do these things that we think. So it's very useful, and that's going to train us as leaders also in Spanish when we want to encourage people to do stuff. Well, we already talked about all the um, like the how to make imperatives, how to do like to give commands, and the when you want to say let's do something or let's not do something, it's actually a part of the imperatives. Why? Because we're going to use only the personal pronoun nosotros, and here is where we're going to focus on in the nosotros part. Yeah, the rest is just the imperative for the other personal pronouns. But when we talk about the imperative of nosotros, that's when we use the let's. When we want to say let's do, let's not do, then we are going to use the imperative of nosotros. So, how do we do this? So, first, we are going to remember that these words here come from the present tense, right? And we make this switch. What is the switch? The switch of the vowels A and E are simply when we have an AR verb, yeah, when the verb is an AR, we are going to put an E instead, right? And when we have verbs that are ER or IR verbs, yeah, we are going to put an A, yeah, and that's the golden rule. If you have an AR verb, you're going to put an E. If you have ER or IR verbs, you're going to put an A. That's all. So let's have a look at these examples. So, lavar, perder, cubrir, to wash, to lose, and to cover. So let's say, let's wash the car, right? Uh, so first, we part from the present tense. Nosotros lavamos, nosotros perdemos, nosotros cubrimos. That's the present tense. That's it. Now we have to do the switch. Nosotros lavamos, nosotros lavemos. So lavemos is going to be the let's wash. Lavemos el carro. Let's wash the car. O lavemos el coche. Yeah. Now you don't have to use you don't use the personal pronouns when you are saying let's do something. Yeah, you're going to omit the personal pronouns. Also, when you talk about imperatives, we don't use the personal pronouns. We never use these personal pronouns, so you just omit them. So let's wash the car. Lavemos el carro. How do we say let's lose the game? Okay, so nosotros perdemos will be present tense. Perdamos will be with the switch, right? Because perder is an ER verb, therefore we're going to put an A. So perdamos el juego will be let's lose the game. Perdamos el juego. Okay, another one. Cubramos la mesa. Let's cover the table. So first present tense, nosotros cubrimos, cubramos la mesa. Let's cover the table. Why? Because cubrir is an IR verb, therefore we're going to put an A and when we do the switch. That's it. So it's pretty much to use the imperative of nosotros. That way you're going to say, let's do something. And again, we have the affirmative here. We also have the negative. If you want to say, let's not do something, it's pretty much the same thing, but you're just gonna add a no. Yeah, that's all. So before it was lavemos el carro, that's let's wash the car. No lavemos el carro. Let's not wash the car. Let's lose the game. Perdamos el juego. Let's not lose the game. No perdamos el juego. ¿Ya? Let's cover the table. Cubramos la mesa. Let's not cover the table. No cubramos la mesa. So that's how you do the negative. Easy, right? You just add the no. Because it's the same rule. You just have to do the same switch. Yeah. If you see here, we do the switch, right? Here and here for affirmative is the same switch as well as for the negative. Yeah. So that's how you do it. That's how you say let's do something, let's not do something. And of course, we have the regulars. The irregulars were these 8 verbs here. And we're going to concentrate, of course, on the nosotros, which is the let's do something, yeah, or let's not do something. So here we have the affirmative. So uh, let's put the salt on the table. Pongamos la sal en la mesa. Let's be careful. Tengamos cuidado. Let's be happy. Seamos felices. Let's get out or let's go out. Salgamos. Let's make the homework. Let's do the homework. Hagamos la tarea. Let's go. Oh, this one. Let's go to the concert. Vayamos al concierto. Sometimes people say vamos al concierto, and it's also correct. Vamos al concierto. But the imperative, the real imperative, is vayamos al concierto. Yeah. Um, let's come to my place. Vengamos a mi casa. Eh, let's tell the truth. Digamos la verdad. So that's how you use the let's do something like for the irregulars. And again, if you want to do the negative, it's the same thing. It's exactly the same thing, but adding the word no. So let's not put the salt on the table. No pongamos la sal en la mesa. Let's not be careful. No tengamos cuidado. Let's not be happy. No seamos felices. Let's not get out of here. No salgamos de aquí. Let's do the homework. No hagamos la let's not do the homework. No hagamos la tarea. Let's not go to the party. No vayamos a la fiesta. Let's not come to my place. No vengamos a mi casa. Let's not say the truth, or let's not tell the truth. No digamos la verdad. That's it. That's how you say it. So how to practice this? Easy. You're going to encourage people. So do your Quizlet flashcards and the notes and writing, of course, to warm up. And then every time you have an idea and you are, with a group of people and you want to encourage them, uh, do it. Actually, encourage them. Hey, let's go here. Let's do this. Let's visit this person. So encourage them to do stuff. Yeah. So yeah, you're gonna use this. Yeah. So remember, it's different to say, let's visit my friend. Uh, I mean, if you say, no, we visit my friend, nosotros visitamos a mi amigo. Visitamos a mi amigo means we visit uh, like my friend. But let's visit my friend is visitemos a mi amigo, because you have to do this switch. So pretty much you just have to do the switch. That's all. So have a lot of fun with this and encourage a lot of people, become a leader in Spanish. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego. Gracias. Bye bye.